Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to share flashcard sets with your students. So let's get started. Once you have logged in, click everything at the top and click Media Gallery from the menu. From here, you'll land on the flashcards page. On the left-hand side, choose the section you'd like to share with your students. From here, choose a category, and then click the blue Add to Class button. Once you click this button, a menu will appear. Choose your class from the menu and choose the location. If you'd like your students to see the flashcard set right away, add it to teaching. If you'd like to add this flashcard set just for yourself, you can add it to prepping and you can assign it to your students later. Once you're set, click the blue Save button. You can also share flashcard sets that you have created with your students. Click the Everything button at the top and click Flashcard Sets from the left-hand side. From here, click the three dots next to the set you'd like to share and click Add to Class. The same rules apply here. Click your class from the menu and then choose your location. Then click the Save blue button. To view the flashcard set in your class, click Everything at the top and click Classroom from the left-hand side. From here, click the class you saved the flashcard set to access it. On your student's end, when they log in and click their class, they'll see the flashcard set and can view it. That's it for this video on how to share flashcard sets with your students. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.